Hi, I'm Rayne Naval, and I'm a graphic design intern at Inventive Media. My internship here was an amazing experience. Inventive Media helped me grow not only as a designer, but also as a creative. I had the chance to work with tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro. Skills I already had before as an artist, sure, but these training sharpened my techniques and helped me use them in real-world projects. I also got to explore web design through Bootstrap, HTML, and CSS, which gave me a broader understanding of how visual design works in UI UX and web development. The experience was welcoming and enriching, and I felt positively encouraged to think my ideas and think outside the box with my projects and with my peers. Working with a supportive mentor and fellow interns who genuinely cared about our growth made all the difference. Inventive Media gave me the space to learn and explore, and it highly recommends internship to anyone ready to level up their skills. Thank you, Inventive Media, for preparing me for my future.